Hey everyone, Tom here, and today we want to answer the quick question, why is my Dosatron squeaking? First, I want to let you know that all of your Dosatrons make a noise, you just may not hear it in some, and you may hear it in others due to a change in surface tension in the water. A change in your surface tension can happen when lowering the pH of the water running through your system. A good example of this is when you rub your finger around the edge of a wine glass. That sound we're making is high-frequency vibrations creating an audible noise. First, I want to tell you that that sound causes no additional wear and is no problem for the functioning of your unit. However, if it is a little annoying or you just don't want to hear it, we do offer packets of Dosalube, which can be applied to the seals of your piston and will reduce or eliminate that sound for a period of time. Of course, with any additional questions, feel free to give us a call or shoot us a message online, and thanks for watching.